We are here in Negril, Jamaica, with Craig and Dr. Dixon from JAHJAH Foundation. And I can't even remember when Dr. Dixon met Craig. You want to refresh my memory, Craig?
Yeah, man. I think in 2016, 2017, one of those years. But I was like doing juice. I was doing like natural juice with my sister on the street. We were riding around selling juice, and in the evening we were like chilling in Mango Hall with the juice. We're gonna finish here. We're gonna finish our selling here. So this man he come in the community. He was with a camera and saying, "How can I help? How can I help?" Nobody was paying any mind. So
well, let me cut. I was asking for help for the helmet. I was trying to understand how can I help the community, number one, and at the same time I want to know how come nobody was wearing a helmet. They were riding a lot of motorcycle, and nobody was wearing helmets. So I thought we could do a helmet project in Mango Hall. So I was interviewing the people, the bike riders, to say, why don't you wear a helmet? And some of them were saying because it's too expensive. The guys just, when they sell a bike, they just sell it with a helmet. And one guy was honest to say that they're not going to wear the helmet, even if they can buy the helmet.
Even when I did bring down the helmet, I was in Negril handing out helmet.
We actually bought the helmets down,
see any,
and we were handing them out.
They like sell it back or something too. Yeah. Serious.
They were interested in it.
You were asking the question, and I was the only one that like give you an answer that bring JAHJAH Foundation to Mango Hall, Little London, even Negril more.
Yeah, because I think he mentioned to me that there's a ball field here. He said, even this ball field, there's a guy there who was helping us, and then he passed away, and then the ball field stopped, and then you could use it to play cricket and even football. But because the guy died, that project just died. And I just felt like sports is such an important part of a child's life.
Need fencing so the ball would run out on the road, and we have to run. Because when I was smaller, that used to happen, and the ball go out, car bus it.
How about you run after the ball and the ball, kills the child?
So, so we start all that project with Dr. Dixon from I think 2017, and I see a lot of love in this foundation with all the nurses, the doctors, Dr. Dixon himself, Karen, even Dr. Dixon's wife come and show love everybody. And I'm so thankful for Dr. Dixon, JAHJAH Foundation, One Love.
But how has the foundation affected your life personally?
Actually, in my community, I hardly get love. So when we were doing healthcare with JAHJAH Foundation, I realized the love that the people were showing that come with you was so beautiful. And
strangers.
I mean, like, maybe that's the reason why they were so jealous of this too, because I was so, oh God, man, my name Craig, everybody Craig, and that, like I'm the local champion and all those stuff. Thanks for the award, Dr. Dixon. I did.
You earned it. I didn't give it. You earned it. Through honesty and trust and hard work, I
was speechless on that award. I didn't know that was coming. And oh God, man, it can't be better. This man is more than a hero. And he now plays zero. No, he's doing the right thing.
But no, man, it's not just me, it's the whole volunteer.
Yeah, but it starts from you.
JAHJAH, Garvin, my wife, everybody.
It starts from you.
Volunteers,
you get some good people around you.
Yes.
All of them show me love. I can't tell one of them that I can say, oh, the one doesn't no nice, the one doesn't. Everybody. Once you come and you introduce them to me, it's okay. Yeah, man. And so I just dedicate myself to Dr. Dixon because my life changed. I did, like a one-room shop, and all the money that he was sent and gave me, I used it to build up a house for my family. Yeah, man. Even people used to criticize and say, oh, you don't have no sense if people them are work you and do. And all kind of attack, all kind of foolishness. And just, I don't pay them no mind because I know the love.
Right.
You understand the connection is real. We just work with it. I have good intention
Right.
And we meet good people, so we just do the right thing.
Okay.
Understand?
So you got the money, I was able to expand on your house
Yeah.
for you, whatever
Actually,
you worked.
I did break down the old one, the one room, and I start fresh. So all the money that Dr. Dixon gave me, I say I want to make feel proud about me, not to just wasting out my money.
Right.
Yeah, but you know, Melissa come and kind of.
So how did Melissa affect you actually?
I went right down because I didn't have. You remember where you come with Junior?
Yeah.
I don't have no support, no house, nothing. So the breeze went right down. The next guy beside me down.
So you're building back right?
Yeah, I'm building back now. So I'm just
When you say down, what do you mean? Do you mean the roof?
everything.
Flat.
I don't have any support up there. I don't have any support with like no other house around.
Right.
So the debris just raw down. After I put me down, then the guy beside me, I was supporting him. And when we go down, it blow away, go out. It blow away.
So where was your family when all that was going on?
Actually, I was there, and then I when the first zinc cliff, I run with the kids. And then
You have 8 kids.
yeah,
How much of them you run with?
3.
8?
One. No, not all of them is there with me.
Okay.
Remember, I have 18-year-old and 22-year-old.
Okay, but the younger ones were with you?
Yeah. So,
And you ran with them?
yeah.
To where? Where was it to
to
run
a
to?
next door neighbor
Well, how did that next door neighbor, how did that one do it?
because they have concrete structure. That's their land. That's their landlord. So I have to run to PR house. Yeah, man, for safety. But this guy beside me was telling me about a container, the 40-foot container. So you can come over there, man. And when him go over there, the container spin with him. And they have stuff in the container. So to show you how powerful the breeze was. And it's just over your friend. The guy who say work at the hospital.
Kenton.
Yeah, he have one container with some stuff in there. He spin over with them. Almost brought them up in night. How powerful the breeze was.
Yeah.
So imagine my house is just like a board house.
Right.
Couldn't hold nothing there. So no tree, no heap of tree, just some coconut trees. Then couldn't hold nothing.
Okay.
So actually, I did have 4 rooms. I'm doing 2 now. So it's just the zinc to go on the top.
Okay.
So
That's a good thing you're handy. It's a good thing you're handy.
yeah. So I have to take a week off to push it. Yeah. So I'm taking my time and going up. Yeah, man.
Well, thank you for sharing your story.
Yeah, man. It's JAHJAH Foundation every time.
And still
man.
smiling through it all.
What really happened, you know, if I'm here, I'm somewhere else working, and this man called me and say he wants something to done, no hesitation. Nobody show me love like Dr. Dixon, JAHJAH Foundation people. And they think like the whole world not real no more, but I find real people.
Right, good people.
JAHJAH Foundation every time.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
All right. Thank
Oh
you.
my goodness.